Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and this lock might look quite familiar to you, but it's not what you think. It's not the Vero handbag lock, it is a Stanley handbag lock, and we call it handbag lock because it looks a little bit like a handbag. Here is the Vero version, and you can see that they are very similar in terms of their aesthetics. The Vero is a little bit more maybe rounded, but other than that, they have quite a shared pedigree, wouldn't you say? The biggest differences are that the Vero has a more wide open keyway. In fact, you can sort of pick up through the warding. It's paracentric, but with a thin enough pick, you can go from the bottom to the top of the keyway. While the Stanley is a more what we call a classic Yale style keyway. There is another big difference though, and whilst they're both 4-pin locks, there's a secret, what you call a 5th pin, a check pin down the bottom of the keyway here in the Vero. You can probably just about see it. If you slide in a pick sideways, you'll hit it about here, and you can even hear it when I do that with my pick. It is driverless, it's just a sprung pin that stops the core or plug from turning around when you're trying to pick the lock, and you need to press this down before you can get the open. So there is a secret check pin at the bottom of this, while the Stanley does not have that at all. Here is the key for the Stanley. It's not bad bitting, to be honest with you. It's got low, medium, low, and then a very high pin 4 at the end. And it works very nicely. You can see how there's a quite secure sort of retractable pin which locks the shackle in place. So that's quite nice. But what does it take to pick this lock? Well, let's find out. Let's put a bottom of the keyway turner in like this. We'll grab, I've got a Peterson gem in 18 thousandths, and we're going to wiggle that round and pull back on the pick until we find a binding pin, which happens to be pin 2. A little click, back to the back of the lock, pin 3 there, a little click on 1, and 4's binding, and we're open. There we go. So relatively simple. Actually would have been better with a little check pin. Not quite the same as the Vero, but not a terrible lock actually. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any comments, leave them down below. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so for more content like this. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.